Hi guys.
Dari ko nag-hike ganina na init. Nag-iigang kumain.
Cold. It's 12 degree. This morning it's 6. But it's sunny. We are heading to
In the fridge.
in the bridge.
In the fridge.
Fridge!
Poco guys. So see you there. There's Frank, Ella, and Francine.
Ate Coco!
Poco.
Ate Coco!
We're in the bridge.
Ate Coco!
It's a video.
Hello!
Guys, in a trains. I know, not. In a bus station. We are waiting for our bus.
Rastokerstrasse po din eh.
Yeah, Vorwerk Straße. That's where we live.
Ba. Francine here. Francine. Ba.
Why? Look, it's raining.
Hi guys. KFC kami. It's hot. Francine
Ako
here.
lang ang kumain.
And Ella is there. She's having a normal. And ours is hot and spicy. Frank is used to that. So, kain muna tayo guys. Kain guys. Guys, we're having a break. Francine over
get here?
there. Francine over
Cheers, guys.
guys.
Hello.
Hindi pa kami natapos
You want
kumain.
help? Uy!
Ayun guys. Iti-take away na namin siya. Iti-take away na lang namin yung chicken. Diyan si Francine. Kasi si Francine, ayaw niya din magstay sa ayaw niya magstay sa
Picture.
Tinder thing. Ayun, so uwi na kami. Ayun guys. Kasi kaya uwi na kami ngayon guys. Annoying me again. It's annoying me again. It's taking my card.
In the cash.
You should try that. Try that. It works.
If you order.
We will only have my card for until at home. That is ordering again. It's just gonna focus.
That there.
Oh, that.
I get that. That's my flexible friend. Besides my wife, it's much. Give it to me.
Go. Here's my card, guys, and he's ordering a milkshake and only one franc. I'm not drinking. He's ordering a milkshake, but using my card. Why is that like that? He has the opportunity to use my card today because he was the one who's paying the KFC thing. So that's it. There's the Francine. So supposedly guys, punta kami ng
Guwapo lagi
Poco,
na.
but then I forget to bring my stuff. And we have it's not much time to go there, so that's why now we just went to KFC, have our dinner, and we go home soon.
Yeah.
So that's it guys.
Di ko wish still nagkaroon ng sayo. Because I'm going to 45 only tomorrow.
Guys, hindi makakonsentrate ang kain si Frank kasi Francine irritable siya. Parang gusto na ata itong umuwi. Frank is having this. It's yummy actually guys. Guys, moon. Ang laki ng moon sa first. Ang gini. Abnormal po. Hi guys, good evening. Guys, I have a new lappy. And it's
And now I'm gonna annoy the world.
yeah guys, here I'm unboxing my new lappy here. Oh, this I have a lighting here. How kind my husband. Eat proud. Look at that, we can stand now. Ah, I'm so glad I have tripod, I have thing. It's dark, baby. Yeah.
Posh.
So I-
shortage.
Yeah. How to do it? I actually asked Frank to help me because it's heavy.
You lay it down and then you pull it on that end
Okay.
here. Look at that, I'm in pajamas. I should
It's
be
okay. It's okay. Here. Ta-da-da! Was on sale from $399 now only to
399.
guys from $399 now it's only 299.99 cents. So I get 1 cent back. The next video soon, maybe few months or I don't know, like or maybe Frank will hear that.
No way.
He will give me Canon G7X Mark II. Come on, you know what guys, I'm so happy today because I got my new laptop. Can you open that? Here's my loving husband. Open it. The new laptop. And we're gonna
Don't
break
drop it.
and we're gonna break it tonight. Uh-oh. So, do we need to charge it first or not?
For sure you will have to charge it first. I don't think it's
All
going
night?
to be... no, you can put it on the plug already. What's that? I was thinking, what's happening?
Look guys, here. I'm gonna show you. It's me, it's still virgin. Virgin like me. Here. It's so cheap. For a laptop guys, murang-mura na to. Sa Conrad online shopping. I've seen the price but we got this in Conrad shop. But I've seen online that they were on sale. So from 399 naging 299 na lang siya. So 100 euro less. So but that's still quite expensive now if you convert that money to Philippine peso money. But doesn't matter, I should not calculate because I get crazy then. Because I never buy stuff that is expensive except if Frank will buy me. Yeah, like my mobile. Yeah.
So, with other words, no Frank, no mobile, no YouTube, no
What?
laptop. You don't have that, nah? Are you recording that?
Yeah, I start recording. I can edit that whatever you say that bad. I know we're gonna upload.
So, my dear. Where's the plug? Could that be here?
Yeah,
I
that
cannot see it.
That one. There. Slide.
It's on?
Yeah. There. Time to the switching on. No, you have. Don't.
Sorry, I gotta go.
So I'm gonna. So that's it, guys. I show you. Then I'm gonna end the video filming here. So congratulations, Frau Jean. Now you get a new laptop. So thank you. And so we have to end our video, Frank. Here's Francine there and Ella there. Francine is playing with a fish and Ella watching YouTube. And I have to go because Francine is really now crying and I need to end the vlog. So bye bye guys. See you on my next video and don't forget to like and subscribe and good night.